Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to adjust your YouTube app settings on your phone to better customize your viewing experience. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical tutorials. Let's begin. 1. Open the YouTube app on your phone. 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. 3. From the menu, select Settings. 4. Under General, you'll find several options that allow you to personalize how the app works. For example, you can manage playback preferences, control data usage, or enable or disable restricted mode. Restricted mode is a feature designed to filter out potentially sensitive or mature content. Turning it on or off is completely optional, depending on how you want YouTube to tailor your recommendations. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more phone and app tips.